In this video, we are going to see how to create a rib. So let's see. I'll take sketch command. We'll select one plane. Here I'm making a simple spline and exit. We need a perpendicular plane, so we already have this one perpendicular plane. We'll select this, sketch on it, and here I'm just taking one rectangle. We can define some size of this rectangle. Let's take this to be 70, and we'll just define width also. Let's take it 20, exit. Now we'll take a rib tool from here. We'll select the profile and we'll select the path. I want to make hollow from inside. If I make preview, you see it is solid, but I want to make it hollow from inside. We can use thin feature and we can specify the thickness value. I'm specifying thickness of 2 mm and do OK. So we can see this is ready and it is hollow from inside. If I want to change the color property of this, we'll go to part, body, properties, graphics, and we can change a color and apply it. So this is how we can create a simple rib profile. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.